Okay, today we are with EdPuzzle, and we are going to, this is the student's view, so this is the classroom code, and this is what students would see. So whatever content you have, and they see that the start date was yesterday, and it's due by the 21st of December. So what students would do if they're going to watch this video, they click on the video, and again they see the due date at the top. And as you can see here, let me scroll down. As you can see here is the video, and there's these different points of it. So we're going to watch this video together. If it will load. Okay, so at this part of migration, I've got a comment. This topic is very important because most people move and it affects all of us. So that's the first one. Continue. Also,
I think this is a really good question that we all need to consider. Why do people move? When you think about in your own life, why has your family moved? Have they moved? Why or why not? Think about your friends or family members that you have moved. Why did they move? Or why have they stayed where they're at?
So that was my audio. Also here, when I try to skip ahead, it doesn't let me. So I have to watch the full video. So we're gonna go through this together. Okay, here's the first question. Your own word. What is a push factor? A push factor is something that pushes you away from where you live. Submit. Continue. What is a pull factor? A pull factor is something that pulls you to a place where you want to live. Submit. So those are really good examples of just open-ended questions. They're just simple recall questions. Yeah, so these are example push factors. Okay, so now I've got two questions. What is not factor? Go to hospitals and schools. And true or false? Push factors are negative things, but one's current environment that forces someone to move away. That is true. And I'm going to submit. Oh, I got that one wrong. I think that I'll have to look at that question again because that is not correct. But that's okay. We're going to keep going. That's fine as a student. Oh, which is an example of pull factor? All of the answers. Submit. I got that one right. Okay. Continue. As we're watching this, something I really like is that after I'm done answering a question, the video will automatically keep playing. So I think that's a really nice element. So now I have an open-ended question. So as a teacher, I wanted the students to be thinking about this and to answer this. I'm going to write, we can open our borders. One example is brain drain. Okay, I'm going to click submit. Click continue. So I finished with this. My grade is a 33 out of a 100. And now I can see video completed. Correct responses 2 out of 6. Well, that is depressing. So these are open-ended. It shows my comments. It shows the time. It shows my wrong answer. Shows my right answers. It shows another open-ended question. So that's the student's view. Okay, so now we're going to go to the teacher view. Whoops, not that. Here we go. EdPuzzle. And it goes automatically to my classes. And we see here that we have a student turned in 1 of 1. So we have an option here that we can look at students if we want to. So we have this one student here. We can look at that. Also, we can go to gradebook. I think this is awesome. So it tells me the total time that she spent, and I can write in a total score. This is to be graded. But, so here we go, we've got this. And so I can grade this here. So I'm going to give her a check. Just check. I'm going to fix this and give it a check because that was wrong for me. And I'm going to give her a check here. So now we've graded it. And we can go to the next student if we want. Next student. Let's see if it does. It won't do anything, I don't think. But I can go to gradebook again. And now that we've got a grade, it allows me to export my gradebook, which I have now done. So this is a tool to use to help students to learn about videos and to interact with videos, and then it makes it very easy for me to collect their grades quickly and to then put them in my gradebook.